In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy move emails from one account to other in Outlook. We'll walk through a few reliable methods, from quick drag and drop to a full export and import, so you can choose what fits your situation and mailbox size. Start by adding both the source and destination accounts to Outlook Desktop. Open Outlook, go to File, then Add Account, and sign into each mailbox. If your provider requires IMAP or POP settings, enter those during setup. When you're done, both accounts should be visible in the left folder pane. It's a good idea to double-check under File, Account Settings to confirm each account is connected and syncing properly. That prevents issues where messages don't appear after a move. The easiest method is drag and drop. Open the folder in your source account that contains the emails you want. Click to select a single message, hold Ctrl to select multiple specific ones, or press Ctrl-A to select everything in that folder. Now drag your selection over to the Destination Accounts folder in the left pane Inbox, Sent Items, or any subfolder and release. Outlook moves the messages immediately and preserves attachments. If you want a copy instead of a move, right-click the selected emails, choose Copy to Folder, and pick the exact destination. Another simple option is the right-click Move command. Select your messages in the source account, right-click, choose Move, and then Other folder. You'll see all accounts and folders listed. Select the target account's inbox or the subfolder you need and confirm. This is especially helpful if your folder list is long and dragging is inconvenient. If the destination account isn't added to Outlook, you can forward selected messages to the other address as a quick copy alternative, keeping in mind that forwarding creates new messages rather than preserving original metadata. For large jobs, use a PST export and import. Go to File, open Export, Import Export. Choose Export to a file, then Outlook Data File.pst. Select the folders you want, check Include subfolders if needed, and save the PST. To bring the mail into the destination account, return to File, open Export, Import Export, choose Import from another program or file, then Outlook Data File.pst, browse to your saved file, and import with Include subfolders enabled. This method retains folder structure, though it can take longer for big mailboxes. After moving or importing, let Outlook sync and spot check a few folders in the destination to make sure everything arrives. Thanks for watching.